The man standing over there, he said, सर आपको जाना है तो गेट नंबर 51 के लिए ये दिस वे। तो यहाँ पे now you can see 46 to 53 and so there is my boarding gate, so I am just going this. जी मुंबई आहे.
Avoid touching any surface in the cabin and follow the markings on the aerowish to maintain distance while deplaning. Please keep your boarding pass handy.
So guys, my one of the best friend Melison have arrived today. Wait bro, but still I was waiting. Oh, how are you? Let's shoot.
You all know I'm Prashant friend and he's my best friend, so he came to Goa yesterday.
How do you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling awesome.
Awesome.
Yes, bro.
Guys, this vlog gonna be amazing. So subscribe my channel.
Do like, subscribe and
Like
please
and share the video.
for Goa Diaries.
And
Just pick me up somehow.
रोज अगर बोर्ड होगा ना, मालूम क्या करने का? लाइव देख के फावड़ा मत छोड़ना, फावड़ा मार मार के छुड़ाएगा। हाँ, बोर्ड अगर डूबा bro, तो फावड़ा मारना तो
डूबता है तो साल्ट और हिप हॉप चालू कर देगा। माइक भी पकड़ो।
Guys, today I went to gym and I did workout for 1 hour at least since 4th April. So far I am feeling bored, so all of a sudden I decided to go for a trip. So in this coming vlog is all about Goa. I was feeling boring, so all of a sudden I decided to make a trip today. So all of a sudden I make a ticket for Goa. It's a connecting flight from Varanasi to Mumbai and then Mumbai to Goa. I have backpacked all essential things, my vlog related accessories and my clothing, everything I have, and I'm just to leave home right now. So stay with me. Next vlog is about Goa trip. Bye bye. Here it's me and here my backpack, all vlog accessories, electronics and clothing and essential, all medicos, first aid, everything I have, and I'm just leaving home for Goa trip. So let's go. So finally guys, I have come at airport Varanasi. This is Varanasi airport, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and at the check-in point I was asking to the check-in officer that can I use a camera, and I wanted to just put off my mask just to take a shoot. So I barely could get a permission, but he allowed. Well, I'm going to check in. I've already web checked, so I'm just going to take a boarding pass, and departure timing about 5:40. So I have come way earlier here. So I'm just going to take a coffee. So it's a first day of my Goa trip, and it's all about Goa vlog. I will explore everything, and I will tell you about Goa. So in this vlog I will cover Goa first, North Goa and South Goa, North Goa and South Goa. So it's this vlog is about 10 days. This Goa trip about 10 days. So I'm very happy now that I'm going to explore, and I will let you know the expenses and what to carry when you go for Goa. So guys, stay with me. This vlog going to be starting now. Currently I am at Varanasi Lal Bahadur Shastri, which is international airport. A decade before it was a domestic, but it has been about 6-7 year, 10 year I think, yeah, to become international airport. Yeah. Excuse me, officer. My flight for Goa, it's a connecting flight.
Sir,
5:40. So where should I go for boarding
from
pass?
some media or something?
Not media. I'm a vlogger.
Okay.
Yeah.
मैंने आपको बता दिया
Don't worry. I don't.
What do you wanted to capture actually?
Actually, no, it's a Goa trip, so I am going to explore. So I will let people know that how much expenses and what to carry for a Goa trip if they are going for 10 days. Basically, as a profession, I am a marine officer, but it's my passion to do vlogging. So my name is Shashank Singh, and you will get my channel on YouTube, Shashank Singh.
No problem. When is your flight is there? आपका web
5:40.
check-in हो गया है?
5:40. Yeah, web check. I have already
ये
web
आपको
check.
हैंड में ले जाना है या चेक इन में डालना है?
Actually, I don't know what wait about.
ठीक है, वेट आप एक बार आइए ना, यहाँ से आप चेक कर सकते हैं लाइव, क्योंकि अगर 7 kg से अबव होगा सर तो फिर वो चेक इन में जाएगा।
Okay. Fine.
जो चीज़ मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, इनका वेट एक बार चेक कर लेना। इस पर रखिए सर, वेट इस पर मालूम हो जाएगा मशीन पे।
Sir, please switch off the camera first.
बता नहीं।
Finally, guys, I got my boarding pass, and let me show you the condition of Varanasi airport. You barely can see people over here. All seats are empty due to COVID. And yesterday news I was informed that there was so many cases found in Varanasi, and one person have died yesterday in news. Here I got my boarding pass. This one, it's sorry, this one is from Varanasi to Mumbai. Let me show you. My first flight from Varanasi to Mumbai, and it's a departure time 5:40 p.m. and I would be approaching 7:50 p.m. today, and then there is a layover about 1 hour, and and then Mumbai to Goa. I have to approach Goa from Mumbai to Goa after layover of 1 hour. I was sitting at gate number 2 for 10 minutes. So flight authority announced for the boarding. Uh, all have to come at the gate number 5. Actually, I forgot to which gate I should go. So finally, I'm at number 5, and there is a time. There is a time to get a flight, so I have to wait for at least 50 minutes. No, so I will wait over here because my flight from Varanasi to Goa at 5:40 p.m. So there is a time. I can't see any watches over here. Well, guys, phone battery is going down, so once I charge my phone, then I can shoot further. Okay. It is 5:10 p.m. in the evening, and I'm gonna take my seat because in few 30 minutes I would be taking off for Mumbai. And guys, the camera battery is getting down, so once I reach to Mumbai, first my action will be to get charge my battery fully, that I can able to shoot a video further. Okay.
Or in the overhead bin located right above the seat. If you're seated in the emergency exit rows, please place your hand luggage in the overhead bins only. Thank you.
So finally I come. Excuse me, ma'am, excuse me. Please get me some space. Sure. Thank you. So this one, seat number 8F. So actually I already had booked a window seat because whenever I travel along with flight journey, so I just pre-booked window seat as always to take a view, and I do this all things just for you guys. I'm at my seat, and you can see people are coming gradually, and they all grab their seat, and I'm so sorry I can't take a shoot further because battery is getting down, and I have a power bank with me, but there is a dead cable. It is left out to my bag in luggage, so that's why I can't charge right now. And
सहायता करे। इस विमान में 8 द्वार है। तो विमान के पिछले भाग में 4 ओवरविंग पर और 2 द्वार विमान के आगे की ओर है। आपका निकटतम द्वार आपके पीछे भी हो सकता है। कैबिन में अंधेरा होने की स्थिति में ये एग्जिट पाथ लाइट्स आपको निकटतम द्वार तक पहुंचने में मदद करेंगी। आपातकालीन स्थिति में अपने सामान की परवाह न करें और अपने एवं सहयात्रियों की सुरक्षा के लिए जितनी जल्दी हो सके विमान से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करें। अधिक जानकारी के लिए अपने सीट पॉकेट में रखें। सुरक्षा नियम कार्ड को ध्यान से पढ़ें। धन्यवाद। We request a complete attention for the safety demonstration of this Boeing 737-800 aircraft to fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle, adjust the buckling the loose end, and to unfasten lift the flap. Should there be a drop in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will drop automatically from the panel above you. Remain seated, pull the mask sharply towards you to start the oxygen flow. Place your mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally before assisting others. There are 8 exits in this aircraft, 2 at the rear, 4 over the wings, and 2 in the front of the aircraft. Please note that your nearest exit may be behind you. In case of low visibility inside the aircraft, this exit not lies, so guide you to the nearest exit. In view of everyone's safety, it is prohibited to take hand baggage with you in case of an emergency. For more information, please review the safety instruction card placed in your seat pocket. Thank you. आपके ऊपर बने पैनल में रक्षा जैकेट रखी है। यदि विमान को पानी पर उतारना पड़े तो इसे पैनल से बाहर निकालें। इस तरह से पहने और कस के बांधें। रक्षा जैकेट खुलाने के लिए लाल टैग को खींचे या अपना पोर्सल मास्क हटाकर लाल ट्यूब में हवा भरे। ध्यान आकर्षित करने के लिए बत्ती मौजूद है। रक्षा जैकेट को विमान से बाहर निकलते समय ही खुलाएं। धन्यवाद। There is a life jacket in a pouch in the panel above you. In case of water landing, remove the life jacket from the panel, slip it over your head and secure the strap tightly around your waist. With the red tag to inflate the life jacket, blow into the manual inflation tube after removing your personal mask. There is a water activated light for attracting attention.
There is announcement
the life jacket is released
to
the
put the
aircraft
seat
itself.
belt
Thank you.
for safety. So guys,
Ladies and gentlemen, departure की तैयारी करें। कुर्सी की पेटी बांध
you-
लें, टेबल बंद कर लें, कुर्सी
you
सीधी
should
रखें
be
और बिल्कुल
aware of
खुले
this.
रखें। Take off
Be
your mobile
careful
phones को power off
when
और
your flight
कर लें
about to
और
take
अन्य
off.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों को
So
बंद रखें।
before
साथ
that,
साथ
just
सामान
put
को साथ
seat
दबाने
belt.
को suggest
That
अपना
should be a
सामान overhead bin में ही
concern
रखें।
for you.
आपकी जानकारी के लिए स्पाइस जेट फ्लाइट्स पर धूम्रपान और डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट्स पर मदिरा पीना वर्जित है। DGCA के निर्देशानुसार सभी यात्रियों के लिए क्रू के अनुदेश का पालन करना जरूरी है। और in the overhead bin located. If you're seated in the emergency exit rows, please place your hand luggage in the overhead bins only. Please note that smoking is prohibited on spice jet flights and consumption of alcohol is not permitted on domestic flights. DGCA mandates all passengers to comply with crew instructions at all times. Remember, during emergency, it is the crew who will be the most helpful to you. Thank you.
Most of seats still empty. इसको बोलते हैं डर। Due to COVID, very few passengers here. which has been taken off from Varanasi for Mumbai. You see, this is the mango drink. Actually, I was supposed to take a cold coffee. So, sister is standing there. She was asking card. I mean, for the payment. So, asking for the card. But actually, I got left my card in the luggage. So I forget. So still I have a cash. So I offered her, ma'am, can you take a cash? So there was no option to take a cash. So after sometimes, I mean 10 minutes, she came to me and she got me this mango drink for free. Even I told her, ma'am, just take a cash, okay? So because I will feel embarrassed, but she told me, no, it's okay, it's a compliment. So guys, this is the service, SpiceJet. This is the SpiceJet service. How they know well how to treat passenger, their guest. So I'm very happy and thanks to SpiceJet. Thank you so much for giving me this hospitality. I never imagined that. I suffer. I frequently travel with many flights. Actually, I can't take a name. That's a policy privacy. So finally, thank you so much, ma'am. I couldn't take your picture so that I can show you in this vlog video. Thank you again. So finally I have arrived Mumbai, the city of love, Bollywood. आमची मुंबई.
Welcome to Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. SpiceJet is pleased to announce Yet another before time arrival. You may now use your mobile phones. The temperature outside is 32 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until captain switches off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use masks and gloves in the biohazard face beams only, which are available at the terminal exit. Thank you for traveling with SpiceJet. Have a wonderful evening ahead. Jai Hind. पहने हुए मास्क और ग्लव्स को टर्मिनल एग्जिट के पास उपलब्ध बायोहजार्ड फेस बीम में ही फेंके। स्पाइसजेट के साथ यात्रा करने के लिए धन्यवाद। आपकी शाम शुभ हो। जय हिंद।
Finally, guys, I have arrived in Mumbai Airport, Chhatrapati Shivaji International, and now further I have to wait 1 hour because there is a layover. So I'm starving right now, and my neck is getting thirsty. So first I will search a toilet, and I want to fresh now, and after that we'll take a coffee, and because from now I have to travel 2 hours more for Goa, and currently I am in Mumbai and I have to wait. It was about 2 hours traveling time. I had saved my battery, just to shoot a video, but now there is a 5% battery remaining, so I'm just going to take my luggage and will pull off my charger. Still I carry a power bank, so I will get charge my fully camera to take a shoot further, because I have to go Goa after 1 hour. Here is the luggage. Domestic arrival. Varanasi. Okay. So which one? Anytime I can have it. I don't know. I'm at the Mumbai International Airport, and after a few minutes, in 1 hour, I will be in Goa. आमची अंकल, ये स्पाइस जेट जो बनारस से आया है, उसका लगेज
उसी का लगे चल
12 नंबर दिखा रहा है, 14।
कितना नंबर बोले ना?
ये 12 बेल्ट पे है, बेल्ट नंबर 12।
मैसेज आया क्या?
देखना पड़ेगा। There is a confusion, guys. On the screen was showing belt 12, that flight coming from Varanasi, but people are following each other. They are not looking for the process at 12. So I'm about to get my luggage first, because my battery getting down, so I don't know how much long my phone will be up. और वहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे शो कर रहा था बेल्ट 12, तो बहुत लोग वहीं पे रुके थे, तो कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था काफ़ी।
नहीं मैसेज आया होगा आपके पास।
मुझे लगता है उबर का इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहा होगा
इसमें नहीं है।
आ गया